Did you know your liver is the only organ that can completely regenerate itself? But here's what most people don't realize. You can supercharge this healing process with 5 common foods from any US grocery store. Let's unlock your liver's regeneration blueprint with foods you can buy today. First up, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These everyday veggies contain powerful compounds called glucosinolates that activate your liver's detox enzymes by up to 200%. You'll find these liver heroes in every grocery produce section for under $3 per pound. Number 2, garlic, your kitchen's liver protector. When you crush fresh garlic, it releases allicin and sulfur compounds that boost liver enzyme production and help flush toxins. Studies show just 2 cloves daily can improve liver function markers. Best part, it's available everywhere for pennies per clove. Third, turmeric, the golden spice with remarkable healing power. Its active compound curcumin reduces liver inflammation by up to 50% and supports cellular regeneration. This ancient remedy is now backed by modern science and costs less than $5 at any grocery store spice aisle. Fourth, beets, nature's detox dynamo. These vibrant roots contain betalains that support your liver's natural detox pathways and boost bile production for better fat digestion. Whether you juice them, roast them, or eat them raw, you're giving your liver a powerful cleansing boost for under $2 per bunch. Fifth, leafy greens like spinach and kale, chlorophyll powerhouses that bind toxins and support liver cleansing. There you have it. 5 liver regenerating foods available at every US grocery store for under $20 total. Your liver regenerates every 150 days. Give it the fuel it deserves. Subscribe for more grocery store health secrets.